What's going on, everyone? This is Vince from Life with Vince Luu, and today is April 30th. For the past 30 days, I've been doing 150 pull-ups every single day. Actually, at the beginning of the year, I made it a goal to myself that I would do on an average of 100 pull-ups a day for a year. So this year, since it's a leap year, I was aiming for 36,680. So I've been doing pull-ups pretty much every single day since the beginning of the year. There were a few days that I did skip, but for the month of April, I did not skip any days, and I also did 150. So right now, my total for the year is 13,680 pull-ups so far, and we are 121 days in. So technically, I am ahead of schedule, and actually by a lot, by 1,500 pull-ups or so. And I feel good. My back is definitely getting stronger. Last month, I did a 10-minute pull-up challenge, and I got 98 pull-ups. And I did it again this month, and I got 105 in that same time frame. And hopefully by the end of the year, I'll be at 120, 125, or even higher. And last month, I also did a one hang pull-up challenge, how many pull-ups I can do in one hang, and I ended up getting 30 pull-ups. And I've had a lot of people ask me how I'm able to do so many pull-ups, how I make it look so easy, and what can they do to up their pull-up game. And the answer is pretty simple. Do pull-ups consistently, often, for a long enough period of time, and pull-ups will become easy. It's that simple. But when you first start, if you can't do pull-ups, what I would do is get an assisted band. You can buy one on Amazon, and then you can attach it to the top of your pull-up bar. So you would attach it to the top of here, and then you can put your foot on it, and as you're pulling up, it'll assist you. If you don't want to get a band, you can also grab a partner. You'll put your feet up like this, here, and then your partner will just hold your feet, and then as you pull up, that will help with the assistance as well. Also, to make it a little bit easier, especially when you first start, is to do chin-ups. So chin-ups, you're going to do an underhand grip instead of overhand grip. With the underhand grip, you're going to be using your biceps a little bit more, so it's going to be a little bit easier. So I would highly suggest starting with that if you're new to the pull-up game. And also a few other tips. For me personally, I am pretty small. I'm about 133 pounds, and I feel like that does help me a lot with my pull-ups. I just have less weight to pull up. Even when I'm 10 pounds heavier, like 140, 145, it makes pull-ups way rougher. And then for me personally, how I got to doing so many pull-ups so easily is when I first started, my program was get to 50 pull-ups. And however many sets it takes me to get to 50, I have to get to 50. But first, it took me 8 to 9 sets to get to 50. But once I can complete the set of 50 by 5 sets of 10, so every set is a set of 10, I would move up to 100. And then once I can complete 10 sets of 10 of 100, I would then move up to 150, 200, 250, and 300. And I stopped at 300. That was the most pull-ups I had ever done in one given setting. So with that being said, once you move from 50 to 100, it's likely that you won't get it in 10 sets right away. It might take you 13, 14, or 15 sets to get to 100. But once you can complete that, the full amount of pull-ups in reps of 10, in sets of 10, I mean, then you can move on to the next one, and so on and so forth. But every week you have to make sure to count, you have to make sure to add once you hit that certain number. And if you do that for a long enough period of time, I would say 5 or 6 years, that's at least how long I've done it, it becomes pretty easy. So thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you soon.